The Samsung Galaxy A50 and the A51 are two of the most selling Samsung smartphones ever, and that's why the Galaxy A52 carries a lot of hype around it, and for most part, it does deliver. Today guys, we have all the specs and even the first ever actual hands-on images of the smartphone.
So let's talk about it.
And also guys, I hope you're doing well, and if you're enjoying, a sub to the channel would be really appreciated. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A52. We have the black color variant with a matte finish, and it looks almost similar to the matte black of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And if in real life it does look like the Galaxy S21 Ultra's black, then I would be really happy. We also have quad cameras in this camera bump, but instead of having a separate glass covering the camera, we have the back panel rising up and melting into the camera bump. From the front, it is a very similar design to the Galaxy A51 with the hole punch camera cutout, and the bezels do look a little bit smaller. The screen size is 6.5 inches with a full HD resolution and a 90Hz of refresh rate. However, 120Hz will be available on the 5G variant. One of the most important features of the Galaxy A52 will be its water resistance. Usually smartphones at this price point don't offer IP67 or 68 ratings, but Galaxy A52 is one of the first smartphones to offer water resistance in its price bracket. As for the specs, the Galaxy A52 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G and the 750G on the 5G variant. We have 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM with 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, and something which even the S21 Ultra doesn't have is present on the A52, and that is the micro SD card expansion. Last year on the Galaxy A51, Samsung used the Exynos 9611, which was one of its main weaknesses, and they mostly have it fixed by using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720 and the 750G. The battery capacity of the Galaxy A52 is 4500 mAh, and it comes with a 25-watt fast charger inside the box. Again, something which even the Galaxy S21 Ultra doesn't have anymore. As for the cameras, we have the primary camera of 64 megapixel with OIS, ultra-wide lens of 12 megapixel, and depth and macro lenses of 5 megapixel. The selfie camera is going to be of 32 megapixel. We also have the dual front firing speakers, but still we don't have the exact pricing yet. However, if some unconfirmed reports are to be believed, then Samsung might keep the price of the A52 exactly the same as the A51, which would be a really great thing. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Galaxy A52. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the A52. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, say hi to me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.